What you're looking at is a 2000 Ford F-150. I'm doing a frame job, and this was a real plus case. The frame was a mess. But the reason for this video is not to demonstrate how I fix a frame, because I've been doing this for over 30 years. But why vehicles rust so fast, and I'm going to tell you why. In 1955, it became industry standard that all vehicles had a battery with a negative ground. Prior to 1955, vehicles had a positive ground. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with electricity, consider the positive lead, that's the return line. So they found out that when a vehicle has a negative ground system, they rust faster. You have to understand electrolysis and the anode. The older vehicles, the drive shaft was inside an enclosed tube. So when a vehicle is going down a highway, there's a reaction between the electrons in the ground and the electrons flowing through the frame. And that electrolysis process is what makes them rust. So I call it a conspiracy. The automakers, it's like they all got together and they decided to go with the negative ground system because the vehicles would rust faster. Now there's a way to diminish that. Here I have some zinc bars I got at a marina. Now you could just bolt these on the frame, but to make them more powerful, I take a piece of plastic and I bolt these to the frame, and which they're insulated. Then I run 5 volts positive to the zinc, so that the electrolysis process attacks the zinc rather than the steel. So that's why these vehicles rust so fast. Even, for example, the muffler. Now this is the original exhaust system, 18 years old. I rather patch the original muffler with stainless than buy one of them garbage aftermarket mufflers. Them aftermarket mufflers, you put them on and they like disintegrate in like 2 years or less. But like I said, this is a video about why vehicles rust. With a negative ground system, it turns the vehicle into the Energizer Bunny and it eats itself alive. And this will look good when it's done. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time. But it's a shame you spend all that money for a vehicle and they want it to rust as fast as possible, so you go buy a new one. Alright, until the next video.